Well, we're here on a house that I know fairly well, because the land across the way was land that we were looking at developing and doing work on. So this is a house that was purchased and it was being totally renovated. And they've done a fantastic job, as which you'll see when you go inside. So it's on a nice generous plot. So this plot would enable you, you could build garages here, you could build, other things, another casita, a gymnasium and all sorts of stuff. So first of all, we're going to go into the house through the main entrance. There's an entrance here as well, which is the laundry room, which we're going to have a look at in a minute. But as you can see, it's got this beautiful coralline flooring. And we're going to go downstairs later and see the service rooms and what's there. And the first thing you'll see here when we get here is the view. Stunning ocean views all over Las Terrenas, Coson and Playa Bonita. And look at this beautiful puppy here. Oh, she's posing. Anyway, so it's on a beautiful hill with a beautiful breeze, peace and quiet. And these are my favourite types of houses, because I live on a hill, which is peace and quiet as well. You've got a nice neighbour down below, which uses theirs as a vacation property. They live there. But look at that for a view. Imagine waking up to that every morning. Absolutely incredible. Anyway, as I said, this house is totally refurbished. New roofs. It was totally modernised. The new swimming pool was put in the sun lounges, and it comes, as you see it, fully furnished. Look at this for a lovely pool with all the tiling. It's infinity edge, so you can sit there and watch the sea. It's a bit of an overcast day today, so just bear with me with this video. It's got its own jacuzzi, it's got the shelf area, and then it's got the pool. And then one thing that's so impressive here, look at the size of this dining room table. Wow, that's about the largest dining room table I've seen. And the house comes with everything you see. It's got the beautiful barbecue there. It's got these wonderful ceiling fans as well, which you wouldn't really even need because it's very cool here. There's a lovely breeze that comes in. It's got the kitchen with the breakfast bar and the shutters that come down as well. So let's just take you down to there's another seating area here, and there's a separate casita guest house there, which we're going to go into a bit. So let's just go into the main living area. And as I said, it's got the shutters, which are electronic, which come down, which seal the house up. It's got a lovely seating area here and some really nice furnishings. Okay, not all the items are going to stay because there's personal effects here, which will go, and there's some expensive items, but things like, the flat screen TV and these other cabinets, they would be going. And now we're having a look at the kitchen. It's got these quartz counters, very nice, massive island, great for having your breakfast on, or you can sit outside and have your breakfast. And then it's got the dishwasher, it's got the fridge freezer and the oven, the extractor, and all the normal items in a kitchen. Nice tile splashbacks, oldie tiles. And then it's got a very large laundry room as well, with the sink and the washer and the dryer and all the services in here. So there's plenty of storage in here as well. And if you so wanted, this could also be another maid's quarters. So look at that light in the kitchen. There's a cracker, isn't it? Look at that, that's really nice. Okay, so let's have a little last look. I say it's a bit overcast today, but you can see it's a really nicely done property. Very, very pleasant. So also in this lounge, you'll see that, all the areas have got air conditioning, the bedrooms, the living rooms. And then there's this wonderful staircase that was built. And this minstrel gallery, well, we call it a minstrel gallery in England. I don't know what they call it in America, but we call it a minstrel gallery. Look at that fan, it's lovely. And then this is a really great, clever use of space where they've put on the mezzanine, 4 beds. So there's 2 doubles and then 2 singles above. And it's got modesty curtains here, so at night you can draw the curtains. Again, it's got an AC unit here. So this is a real clever use of space. And, for kids, yeah, as a kid, you'd love to have your own little den up here. It'd be absolutely phenomenal. Standing here looking down at what's going on below. So we're going to go back down. And all these AC units, I've got the inverters there, low energy ones as well. And it's nice the way they've put these things on the walls, decorations. It's very tastefully decorated. Very nice. And there's a huge kitchen. And all these cabinets, you don't go and buy these things. These have all been handcrafted by local artisan, along with all the woodwork here. the shelves and these staircase as well. And the other nice thing in here, these tiles, they're wood effect ceramics. So these things are absolutely awesome. They look great and easy to clean, very effective. So let's just go into one of the bedrooms in this house, which again, all handmade wooden furniture. The bed and the closets have all been handcrafted by artisans, as have the doors. The same tiling throughout the floors, AC and ceiling fans. And then you've got these wonderful bathrooms, which are really, really nice bathrooms. Twin basins, handcrafted vanity unit, which is superb. Lots of storage for stuff. And then a huge walk-in shower. And I love these tiles on this wall. These are really, really effective. You know, they look really old, as though it's like an old wallpaper or something, but really, really nice. So a huge walk-in shower. And then the other suspect usually in the toilet, which is the toilet. But it's very nicely done, very airy, nice ceiling fans. So we're going to come out of this bedroom and we're going to walk down into the master bedroom. Oh, well, before we go into the master bedroom, let's just have a look in here. We've got another, well, a full bath. It's a half bath, but it's actually got a shower in it, which is absolutely great. And then it's got the basin and the toilet. So again, these nice tiles they're using and the nice tiles on the floor. So that's a really nice added bonus. And then this is the master bedroom, which is a lovely size. And look at this for a bed. Wow, must weigh a ton. You know, handcrafted out of hardwood, really, really nice. Again, we've got the lovely ceiling fan. And then we've got the AC unit as well, up there. Handcrafted cabinets. Another flat screen TV and a beautiful piece of furniture there. And as I say, this comes furnished. There's a couple of items which are not going to stay, and then, you know, some of the personal effects, the decoration items as well. But in the whole, it's a furnished property and equipped. And again, it's got a super bathroom. Again, look at the amount of storage that we've got here. This one's actually got a separate toilet, which is nice. It's always good to have a separate toilet. And then it's got the huge walk-in shower. And this is like a party shower. You know, you could be having a diddy party in this shower. It's really good. You know, dancing away. Yeah. Okay, let's not get carried away, Douglas. And then you've got, look at that for a view. You wake up in the morning, and this is one of the client's staff here. You wake up in the morning and you've got that stunning view. I'm just going to show you a bit more about the dining room suite here as well, because I'm really like this. And the chairs are awesome as well. Look at those chairs, very nice. And then the pool, and the puppy's really cool. And just so you got a really nice feel of here. It's like very relaxing to be here.